Come on, Dane, ready? Reach out. Reach out. Both hands. Ready? Ready? Good. Yeah, you did it, Dane. Good job.
Let me go one more time.
Okay.
And you.
Super Gray.
Should I go on the yellow side?
Shout for Darren. Okay, ready? Okay. Both hands. You gotta put both hands on it. And then swing out. Both hands. And then swing out. Put your feet on it. Good. Yeah.
You've got to say superhero Dane.
Yeah, superhero Dane.
One more time.
One more time.